Hero, but I think my trains are more complete. I don't know what's this. It's more coming. My coal train is wearing more cars, but this time but the wood car needs to build coal. But the fish car needs to use fish. It's not completed. Iron is not yet transported. Now we can add iron, but it's far. Now let's upgrade the building. Sorry, goodbye old building, never come back. I forgot, that's why. I don't know. Drinks. Coke car. I think it's a young train. Oops, I messed up. I don't know what's the pin, but the train, let's make more money and we will get rich. Iron cars are adding. It's zero iron cars. It's zero iron. It's level 3. We need to use Bossberg to level 4. It's already level 3. What's this coming? I didn't see me trains. I think they are coming. Money is all collecting. $50 are not gonna, it's getting more minus. Wow. City is now growing. It's gonna make all level 4. It's only 16 left. What should I do? It's at the headquarters building on York. 67 0. We must upgrade the building. Double existed tracks. There's no space. What should I do? Iron cars. What should I do? We need the younger train first. What I did? Guys, can you like and subscribe for part 2 so I'm gonna make a next sandbox tomorrow. Bye.